In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to quickly swap arrowheads in draw.io, diagrams.net. If you've ever drawn a flowchart or a network diagram and realized an arrow is pointing the wrong way, this tip will save you time. We're keeping it simple and efficient, using one built-in shortcut so you can fix direction without digging through menus. First, open your browser and go to draw.io, also known as diagrams.net. If you already have a diagram, open it. If not, a blank canvas is perfectly fine for this demonstration. The key idea is that this tip works on connectors, the lines that link your shapes, so make sure you have at least one connector on the page. Before using the shortcut, click once on the connector you want to adjust so it's selected. You'll know it's selected when you see the handles along the line and the format options appear on the right side. Selecting is important because the shortcut only applies to the active element. If nothing is selected, nothing will change. Now for the quick fix. With the connector selected and the canvas active, press Ctrl+R on your keyboard. That's Ctrl and R together. Instantly, the arrowhead will swap ends. What was the tail becomes the head, and vice versa. This doesn't change your line style, color, or thickness. It simply flips the direction. If you press the shortcut again, it toggles back so you can quickly check both orientations and keep the one that makes the most sense for your diagram. If you don't see a change, double check that the connector is selected and that you clicked into the canvas area first. Sometimes the shortcut won't register if the focus is on a different panel or outside the editor. Also, if you repositioned your shapes and the connectors rerouted, the arrowhead will still swap correctly. Only the direction flips, not the routing. This works on straight, elbow, and curve connectors, and it's especially handy when you're standardizing flow from left to right or top to bottom. If you make a mistake, a quick Ctrl+Z will undo the last change. Once you're satisfied, remember to save your diagram so the update is preserved. And that's it. You've gone to draw.io, selected your connector, and used Ctrl+R to swap the arrowhead instantly. It's a tiny shortcut with a big payoff for clarity and consistency in your diagrams. Thanks for watching, and keep building clean, readable flows with simple, smart edits like this one.